What is up, guys? It's DapperDop back with another episode of YouTuber Tech, and if you've been watching the channel for a while, then you'll know that I'm a huge fan of camera slider shots, and I'm going to show you how to get them today without a slider. So what we're going to be using today for this tutorial is the Utrifoto lightweight tripod. Huge shout out to Utrifoto for sending out this tripod that's mostly made of carbon fiber. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, but again, huge shout out to them. Thanks for sponsoring the video. Let's get into it. So first things first, you really want to pay attention to the principles of what I'm telling you rather than the actual technique, because each surface that you're going to be doing this on is going to be slightly different. I'm doing it on a hardwood floor, so it's a little bit easier for me, but if you have like tile or ceramic, you can do it as long as the surface is smooth. So what you're going to want to do is get a nice soft fabric, kind of like this one, cut it into little squares, at least 3 of them, and then place them underneath the feet of your tripod. Next, you're going to want to line up your subject, get it in focus, and then lean weight onto your tripod as you push it along the smooth surface. Now what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to get a smooth movement throughout your shot, but you have to really practice and really focus on trying to keep this shot in focus. And that is where the technique, skill, and practice comes in, because the more that you do this, the better you will get at it, just like anything else in life. So the better you get at this technique, the cleaner your shots are going to come out. So really, when you do this, there's 3 things you want to consider when you want to get good at it. You want to practice, practice, practice. And from there, get creative with it. I mean, camera movement is such a dynamic thing to have in your videos, and it really adds so much value to the viewer when they're watching, just to be relaxed or to get excited. It can evoke emotion, and so camera movement is something that you really need to implicate into your videos. You can take a set of headphones and turn them into headphones. So that was short, sweet, simple, and easy, right? Well, you know, I've been throwing this idea around in my head about doing tutorials kind of like this on my channel, about just different methods that I use in order to capture the best quality that I can so that I can give it to you guys. If you guys are interested in that, then be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you want to see more of this. In fact, if you want to know what equipment that I'm using in this video, all you got to do is click right here and watch that video right there. There you go. Click right there, watch that video, and it will tell you a list of all the things that I'm using. So they're not the best equipment, or it's not the best equipment in the world. I'm using like a $40 mic, and a lot of people wonder how I get good audio. Let me know if you want to find out. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. If you want to support the channel, you already know what's up. It's been Dop. Thanks for watching.